Okay, Assalamualaikum and very good morning. Today we are going to do a packet tracer activity in switching and routing. We are going to build a network layer for a company. Okay, this is an example of topology. We have two PCs, one switches and one router, and this is the addressing table where we are going to use in configuration. We are going to use all this information to apply in this device. Okay, so for open packet tracer first. Okay, click on network devices and devices. Add one PC, second PC, and rename this PC to PC 0. And this one will be PC 1. Okay, click on network devices, switches, take 2960, rename this to switch 1, click on routers, and then click on 1941, rename this to router 1. Okay, now we have all the devices. Now we're going to make a connection. Okay, click on the connection and then choose the copper, this one, copper straight through. Click on this one, click on PC 0, fast, we take the fast internet 0, and then to this one. Okay, let's set the topology again. PC 1 connect to fast internet 06. Okay, PC 1 connect to fast internet 06, and then from PC 1 is 5 fast internet 05 to G01, 5 Ethernet 05 to G01. Okay, this one, click on the connection and then click on switch 1, fast Ethernet 05 to gigabit 01. Okay, let's check the connection between router 1 and PC 1. It will be gigabit 00 to PC 1. Okay, so click on connection, then take copper straight through, gigabit 00 to. Okay, now we finish the connection. We have finished the connection. We are going to configure the IP address for PC 0. Okay, click on PC 0. Click on desktop and then IP configuration. We are going to use the static IP configuration. So the IP address will be 192.168.60.6. 192.168.60.6. Subnet mask will be 255.255.255.0. This one is /24, and subnet mask is 192.168.60.1. 192.168.60.1. DNS server, leave it blank because we don't have the DNS server, and just click close. Now we have done the configuration of PC0. We're going to configure the PC1. Click on PC1, click on desktop, and then click on IP configuration. Click on IP configuration. And click on PC1 IP, and then let's check the IP address for PC1. PC1, the IP address is 192.168.50.5. Subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. Default gateway is 192.168.50.1. The IP address for PC1 is 192.168.50.5. The subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. Default gateway will be 192.168.50.1. And then the DNS server, just leave it blank because we don't have the DNS server yet. Okay, just close. Now we have finished configure the PC1 and PC0. Okay. Going to move to router. Going to now we configure the router 1. First of all, we're going to assign a host name for router 1. Double click on router 1. Make sure you're on the CLI tab. The router is asking the question. You would like to enter the initial configuration dialog. Type no because we don't need the initial configuration dialog. Okay, enable command, then enter the configuration mode, which is configure terminal. Configure terminal. Configure terminal and configure the host name. So the command will be host name router 1. So the host name is changed. Okay, second is disable the DNS lookup. So type no IP. Okay, after finish all the configuration, we are going to verify the connection between PC0 to PC1. Okay, to verify the connection, we're going to use going to use ping command. Okay, I'm going to use ping command. Okay, click on PC1, click on command prompt, and let's check the PC1 IP address, which is IP config. To the IP config, and then it will shows the PC1 IP addresses. The address is 192.168.50.5. Let's ping the IP address of default gateway. Ping 192.168.50.1. So it's reply, which means the PC1 have the connection to router 1. Okay, now we click on PC0. Click on PC0. From check the IP address, IP config. So it shows the IP address of PC0 is 192.168.60.6 and default gateway will be 192.168.60.1 as the configuration, as the information table. This one. Okay, let's ping the default gateway. Ping 192.168.60.1. So ping result is reply, which means PC0 have the connection to router 1. Now we want to ping from PC0 to PC1. Okay, let's check the IP address of PC1. IP config. PC1 is 192.168.50.5. Now we are going to ping from PC0 to PC1. Ping, put the IP address of PC1 192.168.50.5 and it's reply. So we already have the connection between PC0 and PC1. For example, if you want to add another PC in this network, this network, this side network. Okay. Click on network device. Click on PC. PC in this network. Rename to PC2. Okay. Make the connection. Click on connection. Click on Pass internet, assign to any ports. We have 24 ports plus gigabit, we have 26 ports. So just put any port, for example pass internet 01. Okay, let's configure PC2. In this case, let's check the IP addressing. In this case, PC0 is 192.168.60.6. Okay, that's right here. PC0 is 192.168.60.6.x/24. Okay, the PC0 is 192.168.60.6. PC2 we put PC2 we put 192.168.60.7/24. Let's try to configure this one. Click on PC2. Click on IP configuration. Click on static IP configuration. Put 192.168.60.7. Subnet mask review 255.255.255.0. Gateway is 192.168.60.1. And server leave it blank and close. Now we check the IP address. IP config is 192.168.60.7. The default gateway is 192.168.60.1. Okay, so let's try to ping because we want to test the connection between all the PC. So let's ping default PC2 default gateway. PC2 default gateway is 192.168.60.1. So it's reply, which means PC2 have the connection between PC2 have the connection to router 1. Automatically PC2 have the connection to PC0. Okay, let's try. Let's check the IP PC0. IP config. IP PC0 is 60.6. Okay, go to PC2, then ping 92.168.60.6. Okay, reply, which means PC2 have the connection to PC0. Now we're going to test PC2 to PC1. Okay, let's check the PC1 IP address. IP address for PC1 is 192.168.50.1. Okay, let's ping from PC2. Ping 192.168.50.5. So it's reply, which means all PC2 have the connection to PC1. So all the PC in this topology have the connection between switch 1 and router 1. So we have finished the activity for this switching and routing packet tracer. Thank you and see you again. Bye bye.